Hello again. Is this error irritating you while using Microsoft Word? Let's fix it for you, shall we? Go to the File Explorer, then into one of the drives where the Microsoft Office app is downloaded normally in one of the program files. Find the Microsoft Office folder, Office 16. From here, you will run the OSPPREARM app as an administrator 3 times. And there we have it. Solve, subscribe, and like the video if this helped. If it didn't work, comment what happened, and I'll try to help you out. See you next time.
Best to give me your loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling